Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. I want to do a pocket dump here. Friday night pocket dump. Shout out to Lancelot Leather. I won this valet tray from him in a giveaway on Zach's stuff. He threw this in. He also threw in, put my logo in there. It's very nicely made. It's great craftsmanship, great material, great stitching and hardware. He did a really nice job on it. He's a great craftsman, and he just has a lot of great products. I'm gonna have to get some more from him here soon. First thing I like to do, he's on Instagram and he also has a website, Lancelot Leather. First thing I do is I throw in my hank so I don't mess up my pretty logo in there. Then I got my wallet. My other wallet that I carry my business or my cards in for my knife channel. Through night flashlight. My little slip has my Boker Plus bit pin in it, and my torch lighter, my coin, love this coin, and this pouch. Got my keys here, clip them to my belt. They come out kind of like a folding pocket knife. Been carrying this for several years now. I really like it. Then I got my Jufuel Bearfly D2 steel. Got it off Amazon. And my Voyager Crisp Blade extra large. Beautiful knife. Love this thing. I tweaked the pocket clip so it would actually go in and out of my pocket easier. Very nice blade. And then the fixed blade I'm carrying is my Ozark Trail fixed blade. Very nice knife. Can't beat it for 18 bucks. There you go. That's my pocket dump for Friday night. Thanks for watching. See you next time.